Welcome. In this video I'm going to be changing the engine air filter in this 2006 Honda Odyssey. This would probably also pertain to many other Honda Odyssey models and probably other Honda engines with the 3.5 liter V6. The filter I'm going to be putting in is this EP Auto GP013, and if you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So the first thing I need to do is remove these screws. They have a Phillips head. You can use a Phillips screwdriver or an 8mm. I already tried to loosen these and they're very tight, so I have a socket wrench. This is actually a screwdriver with a socket tip that works as an extension also. So I'll get these all loosened up. So interestingly, these three were super tight. That one was completely loose. So I'll pull this off now. So I'll get the new filter out. I'm going to pull the old filter out and put the new one in the same orientation. Now this filter is not super dirty, but I just bought this vehicle. I don't have service records for it, so I wanted to replace it so I can keep track of when it was replaced. So I'm going to place the top back on. I want to make sure I align it properly, and then I'll tighten those screws back down. So as I tighten these screws, I'm going to get them all started, and I'm just going to tighten them evenly. I don't want to wrench down on one side before I tighten down the others. So I have this wrench I could put on there and just really crank down on it, but it's unnecessary. I can just tighten it with the screwdriver so they're all snug and it's ready to go. So that's replacing the engine air filter on a 2006 Honda Odyssey. I think it's a pretty easy job. Only challenge I had is these were pretty tight. If all you have is a Phillips screwdriver, those would have been very difficult to get off. So using an 8mm socket is the way to go. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.